Today we are going to discuss about question number 7, which is nothing but to find out the smallest of the three different numbers. Here we are going to have three inputs and we are going to display only one output out of the three numbers, which is the smallest. It is similar to program number 2. The only change is just we have to change the greater symbol as lesser symbol. But anyhow, I am going to give it to you again so that you can get a very fair understanding of this one. So three inputs are needed and there is only one output, and there is only one process, which is to find out which is the smallest of the three numbers. Now let us go to the program code here. Very simple. You have gone to the toolbox, choose the text box. You have text box 1. You have text box 1. Okay, text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. So three inputs, three text box I keep, and then there is one text box for output. Now I am going to place one button which is for process to find the smallest of the three numbers. Then I place label, then I place label, I place the label 1, then I place label 2, label 3, label 4, label 4, label 3, say label 1, label 2, 3, 4 for example. Okay, just I move the label 2, label 3, label 4 and label 5. Okay, now see, now everything is ready. Now in the label 1, what I do is very simple. I am going here and I am entering here smallest of the three numbers, smallest of the three numbers. Then I have to make label 2. In the label 2, what I have to do is that very simple. I will just use here what? I will just use here in label 1, that is first number I will enter. Then I will change this one as second number. Then I will change this one as third number. Okay, then I write here as label 5. I write down it as answer, and then I change the button as text property. I change the text property as smallest number. Okay, now you see I can adjust it. I can move it to the left so that it is adjusted. Third number. Okay, and then I also make everything proper. I double click on this one and I write the code if val of text box 1 dot text is less than val of text box 2 dot text, and val of text box 1 dot text is less than val of text box 3 dot text. That means I am comparing the first number with the second and the third number. Then if it is true, then in text box 4 dot text you write first number is smaller. Now else first number is smaller. Okay, now then text box else, text box 4 dot text. Okay, let me check what is the problem. There's an error in the code. You can see first number is smaller. Okay, text box text first number is smaller. Okay, let us write it like this. Text box 4 dot text. Okay, else if text box 1 dot text is less than text box 2 dot text, not text box 2, change it as text box 2 and change this one as text box 1, because we are comparing. Else if val of text box 2 is less than val of text box 1 dot text, then and val of text box 2 dot text is less than val of text box 3 dot text. Then okay, now else if and else. okay, else. Now text box 1, okay, there are errors. We will check all these errors later. This is okay to get errors, okay. Now you write here text box 4 dot text equal to, you write here second number, third number is smaller, third number is smaller, okay. Now text box 4, this is text box 4. Now it will be all right. Here you see I left the, if this is correct, you have to write here text box 4 dot text equal to, I write here second number is smaller. You see errors will happen, it's okay. I am showing you, if the error happens, nothing to worry, okay. Now you can see here, even this one, I know what is the problem. Here it is what, equal to first number is smaller, so we have to remove this bracket. Error, one error has gone. Now the error is only here, okay. We will see what is the error. If the val of text box 1 dot text box 1 dot less than value of text box 1 dot text, else if val of text box, okay, then okay. Now it's okay. You see in the same line it should come. Since we break it, it has actually got this problem. Now can you see the code? Now are there any errors? Zero errors. Now you run the program. First number is 4, second number is 3, third number is 2, third number is small. Now I change this one as 31. Now for example, I make this one as 1. The smallest number is 2. Second number is smaller. Now I make it like, for example, I make it like 9, I make it like 8, first number is small. So you can see the code and you can see the design here in the screen. See, 3 inputs, 1 output and 1 process, which I already told you, and the coding is very clear. First we check the first number with the second and the third number. Then in this one we check the second number with the first number and the third number. If both are not true, then automatically the default answer is the third number is smaller. I hope it's very clear for you. Now let me save the file, save all. I change it as smallest of the 3 numbers, smallest of the 3 numbers. Okay, what is the problem? We will see smallest of the 3 numbers. Okay, we will write smallest numbers, smallest 3 numbers. Now the file is saved. Okay, in this program purposefully I made many mistakes. Why? In order to make it clear for you. You will also have the situation, so don't get panic, don't get worried, it's normal, and then you can find out where are the errors, correct it, and that's it. Thank you and see you in the class.